$3,000. She's almost right. This isn't even scripted. Hey, Dippy here, and today we're going to talk about a house. What is this here? A house. And what do you do in a house?
Play.
Play?
Yeah.
Also, are you selling a house right now?
Yeah.
She's selling her house. Where are you moving? South Carolina. And Riley, what is that?
A doer.
A what?
A doer.
A doer. It's actually a gazebo. And when you're selling a house and you add a gazebo, how much money do you think that's going to add to the house sale?
I don't know.
You don't know? What if I paid $15,000? Do I add $15,000 onto the price? How much do I add?
Yeah.
$3,000. She's almost right. This isn't even scripted. So let's go look. Now this is furniture under the gazebo. And furniture is something you sit on. Can you sit on furniture? This is an outdoor living area that we added to our patio. When you add something like this to your home, it doesn't mean you get 100% return on your investment. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is our outdoor fire pit over there. And what do you do in a fire pit?
Roast marshmallows.
Marshmallows. All right, come on. Fire safety number 1. Our fire pit's hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. And hot could do what to your hands?
Burn.
Burn them, that's right. So there's a couple things to learn. When you go to sell your house, you can always reach out to Dippy because we've helped people for over 14 years buy, sell, or invest in San Diego real estate. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!